Welcome to mechanical tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like surface modeling, sheet metal and enclosure design, product design, plastic components design, reverse engineering and many more tips and tricks in SolidWorks. Hi, today I am going to explain about how to create cylindrical rod and cap insert, which is sheet metal component. So left side you can see the component, and I am going to show you how to create this component using forming tool with simple geometry. See, this is the forming tool I am going to create. And this is the component. So let's start now. I have taken a new SolidWorks part file. Select the top plane, go to sketch, draw a circle, this is 40 mm dia, one more circle, this is 60, draw one midpoint line so that it is symmetric, and make this as a construction line. Draw a circle both the sides, make it equal, and this is 20, and distance between two circles is 65. Draw two circles, this is 35, make it equal. So this is my reference sketch. Select the top plane, go to sketch, select the circle, convert entity, draw on center line, select trim entities and go to feature, select revolve. See here, make 180 and say OK. See here, select the top plane, draw center rectangle, this is 120 by 120. Go to extruded boss, flip the direction, make any value, taking 5 mm, say OK. Now select this top face, go to sketch, select this circle and make convert entity, go to feature, extruded bus, take it as 5 mm. We have to set the merge result, it is important. See here. Now we can hide the sketch, go to feature, so fillet can give 3 mm, so it is merging with the other one, so 2 mm, say OK. Now go to sheet metal module, select the forming tool, select the stopping face, this top face as stopping face, and face to remove, select this top circular faces and cylindrical face. These are the faces to remove. Say OK. So we have to save this file in this folder, any forming tool folder, wherever you want. Simply you can open the folder and you can paste it. So I have already copied this. So after that we have to select pack and go, give any name like sheet metal end cap or end cap and say OK. So close this file, you have to open this file, new file, this is end cap. Simply delete all the features except the reference sketch. So we need this reference sketch, this is important. Now select the top plane, go to sketch, select center rectangle and make 120 as earlier, 120 by 120. And go to sheet metal, select base flange. So I can give any value, so I am giving 1 mm, K factor as 0.45. Now select this forming tool, drag and drop here, see the orientation, just flip it upward and go to position, right click and select the and select this point and move here. See here, it is exactly moving at the center of this location. Say OK. See, I am going to hide this sketch. See here. Now we have to create the outer profile, so we have to cut this. So select this top face, go to sketch and we have to show the sketch. Now select the convert entities. See here, come out of the sketch. Here I have to draw one more line, so forgot to draw. So this is 14 and say OK. So
So here we have to convert this line also, and try to trim inside profiles, so we can keep it in shaded form, so better visibility. And this profile also. So what we have to do is select this reference circle and this inner circle, make it co-radial. It is not selected, so select this and this, make it co-radial. And similarly select this line and this arc, make it co-radial. See here, it is completely constrained now. See, this is the sketch. You can see the sketch, only this profile has formed now. So I am going to hide this reference sketch. See, this is the sketch formed. So we have to go to sheet metal, select cut extrude. Instead of cut directly, we have to select flip side to cut. So we have to select this option. So it removes the additional material. Simply say OK. Thing is that it is removing only this flat sheet. So what we have to do is select both sides. Select all both sides. See here, component is ready. Now we can apply fillets. So I have taken 3 mm. So we can select these lines. So I am going to remove all the sharp edges. See here, say OK. So the final component is ready now. See here, this is how it looks like. So this is one of the method to create these kind of components. So this is brief about cylindrical rod end cap insert. Thanks for watching.